Yes, children, we will continue the question number 10. Question number 10, actually, it is very easy question. That is why we are not taking here for the consideration. ABCD is a parallelogram. AP and CQ are perpendicular from vertices A and C on diagonal BD. Show that APB congruent to CQD. So you can see in the picture APB, triangle APB, and second triangle is CQD. So three things you have to match to make them congruent. So first thing, angle P equal to angle Q 90 degree each. Second, AB equal to DC opposite sides of parallelogram. Third, this angle, angle ABD will be equal to CDB. So this angle will be equal because of alternate interior angles, so triangles are congruent. AP equal to CQ by CPCD. So we are giving attention to question number 11, as question number 10 is very easy, so you will do by your own. Hint I have given you. Come to the question number 11. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal to DE. So many sides are equal, so many sides are parallel here. So better you put the mark. इक्वल के लिए हमने कट लगाना है और पैरेलल के लिए हमने एरो लगानी है. AB इक्वल टू DE, AB कट, AB इक्वल टू DE कट, BC इक्वल टू EF, AB पैरेलल टू DE भी है, AB पैरेलल टू DE, सिंगल एरो सिंगल कट. BC इक्वल टू EF डबल कट, BC इक्वल टू EF, BC पैरेलल टू EF डबल एरो, BC पैरेलल टू EF आल्सो. ये दो लाइनें पैरेलल हैं, ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है. इनके ऊपर सिंगल कट है, इनके ऊपर डबल कट, इक्वल के लिए भी. और फिर आगे इसके पार्ट्स है जो हमने प्रूव करने हैं. बी ई डी इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. तो ये तो गिवन टू प्रूव आप क्वेश्चन से देख करके लिखोगे. कट और एरो जो है दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. अगर कट और एरो आप नहीं लगाओगे तो बार बार आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़ना पड़ेगा, बार बार क्वेश्चन में देखना पड़ेगा कौन सी इक्वल है कौन सी पैरेलल है. तो अगर आप मार्किंग कर लोगे क्वेश्चन में तो ये क्वेश्चन ईजी हो जाएगा. तो पहला पार्ट हमने प्रूव करना है ए बी ई डी इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ए बी ई डी, तो ये पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करनी. यस इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम बिकॉज वन पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड इज पैरेलल एज वेल एज इक्वल, सो इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी ई डी, ए बी पैरेलल टू डी ई, AB equal to DE, therefore ABED is a parallelogram. So this is first part. You will do in the same way second part. BECF, BECF. Here also one pair of opposite side parallel as well as equal. In quadrilateral BEFC, BC parallel to EF, BC equal to EF, therefore BECF or FC is a parallelogram. Third part, to prove the third part, that is AD parallel to CF, AD AD पैरेलल टू CF एंड AD इक्वल टू CF, ये प्रूव करना है। तो उसके लिए हमें ये पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करनी पड़ेगी। पैरेललोग्राम के लिए ये वाली साइड इसके इक्वल करनी पड़ेगी और ये वाली साइड इसके इक्वल करनी पड़ेगी। तो ये जो हमने दो साइड्स इक्वल करनी है, ये हम इक्वल या पैरेलल प्रूव कर दो। AD पैरेलल टू BE, AD पैरेलल टू BE because ABED is a parallelogram, and BE parallel to CF, sides of parallelogram BEFC, therefore AD पैरेलल टू, तो यहाँ पर चलते हैं थर्ड पार्ट में, इससे रिजल्ट लेते हैं। AD पैरेलल टू BE and AD equal to BE, opposite sides of parallelogram ABED. This. Similarly, BE parallel to CF and BE equal to CF, opposite sides of parallelogram BEFC. So AD parallel to BE and BE parallel to CF, it implies AB parallel to CF, and AD equal to BE and BE equal to CF, it means AB equal to C, AD equal to CF. That is ACFD, ACFD or ACFD is a parallelogram. It implies AC equal to DF, AC equal to DF, opposite sides of parallelogram ACFD. तो ये रिजल्ट क्वेश्चन में तो नहीं लिखा था, हमने निकाल लिया। एक्चुअली ये रिजल्ट हमें नेक्स्ट पार्ट प्रूव करने के लिए काम में आएगा। AC equal to DF, this is fifth part. So third and fourth part both are we have done here. This is fifth part. Now come to the next sixth part, that is triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal to DE given, BC equal to EF, that is also given, and AC equal to DF proved above. ये हमने प्रूव किया हुआ है। Therefore triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, SSS congruency. So in this way we will be able to prove all the parts. Question number 11. Now come to the question number 12. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. Show that angle A equal to angle B, angle C equal to angle D. Triangle ABC congruent to BAD. Diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. So in question number 12, they have given us the hint, but this hint will not come in exam. So the construction work, it is not mandatory that we will do the same which is given in the question. We can do another construction also to prove all these parts, and that will be more easy construction. And that construction is, we will draw the perpendicular from here to here. So this construction we will do. We will not use the construction which is given in the question, as it is not mandatory to use that construction. It is not written that you have to do this question by taking this construction only. So given ABCD is a trapezium, AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. This is equal to this one and this is parallel to this one. To prove different parts are there, you can write these parts here. We will start from construction. To prove, you can write by the book. Construction, we will draw AX perpendicular to DC, BY perpendicular to DC. Draw AX perpendicular to DC, BY perpendicular to DC. Proof. Make these two triangles congruent and you will be able to say angle D equal to angle C by CPCT, and you will be able to prove the second part first, then we will prove the first part. So it is not mandatory that you have to prove in that order. You have to prove all the parts, but order is not compulsory to do in that order. So we will make these two triangles congruent. In triangle ADX and triangle BCY. AD equal to BC given, angle X equal to angle Y, each 90 degree by construction. AX equal to BY. Now the reason why AX equal to BY, because this is the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Perpendicular distance between two parallel lines remains same everywhere. So distance between parallel lines. So triangle ADX congruent to triangle BCY by right angle hypotenuse and one side RHS. Angle D equal to angle C by CPCT. Now for the first part, to prove the first part, we will say angle A plus angle D equal to 180, angle B plus angle C equal to 180 due to co-interior angle. Now, angle D plus angle A equal to 180, angle C plus angle B equal to 180, and the reason for the both is same, co-interior angles. And we can write D plus A equal to C plus B. So we will write after that, it implies angle D plus angle A is equal to angle C plus angle B, क्योंकि दोनों ही 180 हैं, तो this part equal to this. D and C we will make cancel because D equal to C, because angle D equal to angle C, angle A equal to angle B. We got the result, and in this way we have proved the first part. Now make these two triangle congruent. Triangle ABC, ABC. So for this we will join and BAD. So these two triangle we need to prove congruent. One is this, second one is this. So first of all, select the triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD, start matching three parts. First part, AB equal to AB common. Second part, angle A equal to angle B, AB equal to BA common. Second part, AC angle A equal to angle B, proved above. Third part, AD equal to BC or BC equal to AD given. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD by SCS. It implies AC equal to BD by CPCT, that is diagonal are equal. So that's all for this video. In this way we will able to complete this exercise, next exercise in next video.